it's very impossible na ma-enclose mo siya because there are several obstacles. Okay? So, you cannot do this unless you give it up. Parang ganun lang, no? I am not advocating. Teritoryo natin yun eh.
Yes.
And territory is not part of the ruling or of the arbitral tribunal.
Correct.
Wala sa jurisdiction na yun.
Kasi unclose yung sa arbitration.
Unclose tayo eh.
Unclose tayo.
Ano ba yung napakahirap na intindihin? Bakit pinalalala? Bakit nila ginawang chapsuy? At meron pang isang retired justice at isang professor ng UP ang naglagay ng seasoning. Kaya lalong naging chapsuy.
So very clear, Atty. Trixie, hindi niya pinamimigay. Tama. Para
Aba, hindi dati sinabi ko nga.
Hindi rin naman siya, wala rin namang personality si
ang premise ko nga,
Senator
sabi ko,
ipamigay,
Kapitan, we have to defend and
Yes,
protect what is ours, what is legally ours.
Correct.
Sasamahan kita dyan. We will have to defend it to the last drop
including
of our blood.
the KIG.
We are referring to the KIG.
Yes.
Hindi nila kinuha yun. Ang kinuha lang nila, yung pick na sinabi ko na, paano mo gagawin yun without giving it up? I did not say that we will give it up. Why should we give it up? Atin yun eh.